Practice being rich. Just practice being rich. Have you ever heard of the adage that says practice makes perfect? Well, the reality of it is that practice doesn't necessarily make perfect, but it makes permanent. Think about when you started learning how to drive a manual car. You used to think about everything. You have to think about, when do I have to think about indicating, checking mirror, blind spot. When do I press the clutch to change the gears, to then take off the clutch off slowly as I transition into, the gas, the accelerator. And when I'm about to stop, I have to press, the clutch, and then, you know what I mean? Like, all the things you have to think about, like, am I even going to be able to do this thing? Right? Until you practice it often enough, until it becomes part of you, and it becomes permanent. During the Easter convocation, I'm going to move over to a different example. When I used to learn how to play the keys, my hands would be sore, having to think about, where must this hand go? Where must this finger go? Until I practice often enough. And I've not been playing the keyboard in a service for maybe like at least 4 years. 4 years, and then I got into a Sunday service, Easter convention service, and I played it like fluently. Why? Because practice doesn't necessarily make perfect, but it makes permanent. And so imagine if you take that same idea and you practice being rich. Even if you're not rich, even if you're not perfect, but you practice being rich until the reality of being rich is permanent. Now you're no longer. Now it's part of really who you are. And I want to really propose to you guys that the permanency of wealth really comes upon you practicing it. You have to practice. Read the books, follow the principles, and one of the things I want to share with you. One of the things that I share with also our team, especially our trading community, that guys, when one of the principles that the rich do is that they don't spend from their pockets, they spend from their profits. Right? So if you have money right now, instead of spending that money, ask yourself right now, if you have 10, because remember, if you have 100,000 rands and you spend 1,000, you no longer have 100,000, you now have 99,000. Wealth creation and wealth advancement is the process of you making money and not losing money. And so whenever it is you're spending money, you're losing money. But if you're spending money, if you're not spending the capital, but you're spending the profits, you are always still in the net positive. So if you have 100,000 rand and you make 50,000 and you spend from the 50, you are still good. You are preserving wealth. Yes, my boy? Yes, boy? You want the ball? What do you want the ball? Okay, cool. I'm talking here, no? I'm telling people not to spend their profits, not to spend their capital, but to spend their profits. Don't spend from your pockets, spend from your profits. That's the rule I want to give you guys this morning. Again, guys, if you don't know how to create those profits to be able to spend, let's get in touch with me. DM me and say, Nell, let's make some money together. DM me and say, Nell, let's make some money together. I'll show you guys how to create profits that you can start spending from your profits to preserve your capital. See you at the top. The bottom is overcrowded. God bless.